Zoje M7 S995H Rotary head template machine. 15% efficiency boost. Comprehensive upgrade. Leading smart sewing. Needle and needle plate hole designed with automatic concentricity. No adjustments needed. Ready to use right away. Feeding system. Driven by a servo motor. Precise feeding without deviation. Lubrication system with electronic oil control. Protects fabric from contamination. 360-degree unlimited rotation of the machine head. Shorter idle movement. No reverse stitching. More efficient sewing. Smart presser foot with independent motor control. Resolves thread nesting and thread breakage issues at the start of sewing, resulting in more aesthetically pleasing stitches. Adjustable thread trimming speed and timing. More stable, quieter operation. Upgraded laser cooling system. New protection to prevent overheating and fire. Safe and more reliable. Noise reduction upgrades throughout the machine. Superior to the highest industry standards. Zoje creates new productivity for sewing.